Making a shadow puppet theatre. What you will need: cardboard box, tape, scissors, glue, baking paper, straws, thin card and pens and pencils to decorate, a torch. Cut your cardboard box in half, leaving one side and the tabs attached. Draw a rectangle in the middle of the biggest section. Pierce a hole in the corner of the rectangle that you've drawn, using scissors or a sharp pencil. Put something soft underneath to keep it steady. You might want an adult to do this part for you. Next, cut out the rectangle that you've drawn to create a frame. Cut down the side tabs to make 2 triangles. These will make the sides of your puppet theatre. Cut out a piece of baking paper to the right size so that it will cover the hole. This will be your screen. Spread glue around the inside edges of the frame and stick down your piece of baking paper. Now it's time to decorate your frame. You can use pens, pencils, crayons, stickers, anything you like. Now your frame is decorated, glue your bottom tabs and side tabs together so that your frame can stand up. To make sure the sides are secure, add some tape over the joins. Use your card to make some puppets. These can be shapes, characters, scenery, whatever you like. You don't need to add any detail, as it's only the silhouettes that will be seen. You then want to cut out your shapes.